So I'm going to be showing you how to replace the ear tips on the Apple Airpods Pros. This will work for the generation 1s and 2s and maybe the 3s depending what Apple decide to do. Now while it may seem simple, it can be an issue because you could damage this potentially. So first thing to do is flip the top sleeve up and then slightly just pull until you hear a snap. Now when it comes to replacing it, it's a little bit difficult because it's a different shape. As you can see, it's a bit rounded. So you line it up, you just move it around until it feels like it's in the right spot, and then you push it down and you'll hear a snap again. And just close it over. Same thing to do for the next one. Open it up, pull it off, you hear the snap, and then just reorientate it. And if it's gone, you'll hear a snap again. I'm just going to leave a link in the description where you can buy some more of these ear tips for the AirPods Pros. But you can get different colors and shapes and styles. Now this link is a paid link, so if you buy anything through the link, it will support the channel. Thanks very much.